Okay, welcome to Getting Started. I've set up my company, I've applied my department settings, and now I just want to get started with entering payroll. So in the example here, it always tells me at the top I'm in the current month of June. Only once I finish June and I want to move to the next payroll period, then I would click here in the middle, move payroll to next month. But we want to enter payments for this month. So there are many ways to do it from the main screen, and I'll just show you the individual uh, payment option, and I come down to pay any employee down to the bottom here. This will be the page where I can actually edit existing payments or I make a new payment. When you see the Pay Me buttons live here, it means that there's no payment yet for any of these employees. In fact, if I go back, I can just show you, uh, if I click on the View Payroll Summary, which is helpful to see how we've done so far for the month, there's nothing here. No payments. We are ready to enter for June. So, pay individual employee. It's always sorted, Harvester, in terms of the sort, by your department first and then surname next. That's how we sort it, and that's how the standard is. You can sort and change the sort order, for example, to employee number. If I click on search, if you change anything in the search filters, now it's searching by employee number, sorting by employee number. So smallest to largest, not to do with your surname as the default is. So I'm just going to change it back to the default search. And while we're on the search, just before we get to pay me, to pay an employee, I can obviously find any employee if I want to. Jim, want to find Jim T. I click search and then just he comes up. So these quick name searches are very helpful to get to an employee quickly. Clear search. If I want to just go to department Mabwe, for example, click search. Okay, we've got 17 employees in this department of Mabwe. So let's pay the first one on the payment capture for the individual. And here you can see the clear boxes, fields are where we can enter. I put 22. Helpful tip, use the down arrow key or right left arrow key to move between the fields, or you can use your mouse, but it does help using the arrow keys. Your standard entries are here at the top, and once you save your payment, you'll see the basic gross taxable housing net. Those basic calculations will come alive once you've pressed save. But this is for the entry. Below this first block, you've got your custom extras. These are customized additions or deductions. At the moment, I've got addition 1, and it's a percentage addition. It's 10% because it's a percentage of basic, and it hasn't calculated yet because we haven't saved the payment yet. I've also got a cane bonus, and this is based on days. So because it's got 22 here, when I press calculate, it's going to multiply this by 100 because the custom addition based on days will take the day's entry and automatically apply that rate to it. I've got another deduction called deduction 3. I can change it to whatever I want. That's just a user input. So let's put a 40 kwacha here, deduction. And deduction 4 is fixed. So I don't need to change anything. It's a fixed deduction set at 22 across the whole company. But I can individualize this deduction too. You can see it's editable, and I've realized for this employee, I actually want the deduction to not be 22, I want it to be 20 from now on. So each month it must save me that deduction of 24 Baki Chimbule. Then I click Save. It shows me as paid. I can then quickly go to view the payslip or go back to edit. You see this employee's not yet paid, so it tells me here there's no payslip yet. But if I click on the one we've just done, it'll show me the payslip, and I can see what's happened. We put in 22 days, remember? We had a cane bonus based on days. There it shows you that cane bonus. And I can see the gross, I can see my deductions. There's the 40, and deduction 4, which was a fixed deduction, is particularly changed for her. It's now 20. And by the way, this cane bonus deduction, it's a specific deduction, addition that is accumulated. In other words, it doesn't go into the gross. It's used at the end of the season. So it tells me the not in gross value of accumulated cane bonus is now that. But from this page, I can just check it's right. I can email it or do a PDF or print it straight away. But normally, this is just a quick view. The printing and reports are all done from the reports menu. But that's basically how you accept a payment. The next video I'll show you other ways of doing bulk payments or payments by department or permanence, for example.